What's up, guys? I just got my order for Champion. No, this time it's not a gift, okay? I got it late by night. I was like, I cannot wait until morning to do a video and then to unbox it. So I ended up opening it, as you can see, and I checked everything inside already. Champion has been giving me so much opportunities, and I was like, it's time to support them. This is actually my first order ever from them. This is the shirt. I think it's pretty cool. See? You have the Champion logo on the back here. The quality is insane. Look at this. The Champion word right in front. It is 100% polyester and it's a loose fit. All right. Let me go to the next one. So the next one is this shirt. Right. Pretty big. I bought like size L. Yeah. I got size L. Yeah, I want it to look big. And the Champion word right there. You need to act like a champion, you know. And then this thing on the sleeve is looking really great. The number 92 on the back. This is 100% cotton, all right? 100%, bruv. The Champion logo here on the left sleeve. Champion just love embroidering their logo. As I was saying, they were giving me so much opportunities, and this is my way to say thank you. Like, this is not the last piece. I have this. This is actually for like for working out, every type of workout. Right? Running, lifting weights, yoga, whatever you want to do, man, this is a perfect fit, and it's like elastic, you know. And the way it got back to this original form is insane. Look, yo, the color is also great, and the textures feels amazing. Also, you have the Champion logo here, and the size of this one is M. Another Champion logo on the left, huh? And this is also 100% polyester, all right? These details here. And the last piece are the socks. I think I have like 40 pairs or more, 40 pairs or more of socks. And they're all like, 90% of them are new. They're not like even old socks, you know? I have a lot of socks. I might just stop buying socks for now. I bought like 6 pairs of socks for less than 20 euros. 2 black, 2 white, and 2 gray. It's not that stretchy, but it's good. You understand what I mean? So my sock size is 38 to 42. This is pretty cool. This is everything I got from Champion. As I said, this is not a gift, all right? This one here is a gift. I'm not gonna lie. And I got it like the hoodie and the pants. I was like, all right, so it's time to start rocking Champion more, because they are actually a good brand. I washed this I don't know how many times, and I love this. Like, it's all cotton. The cotton, like the quality of this cotton is really great. The fit is not like, it's not my true size, because I used it for shooting, and after the shooting they gave it to us, so it's not my true size. My size is M. If I drop it, it's not gonna fit like that well, but it's actually comfortable, and I'm gonna do another video talking about this. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. So that's it. See you guys in the next video.